Dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. My name is Veena and I'm back with another DIY course on gift wrapping. And this set of videos has been brought to you by What's Your Hobby? Well, most of us put so much thought and effort into buying that perfect gift for your loved ones. But sometimes we do settle for ordinary wrapping methods when we have to wrap the gift box. But why do that when we have equally simple methods that would make your gift box look extraordinary? So the upcoming videos in this series can be taken by anybody who is looking for a simple wrap design. And somebody else who is marveled by this underrated hobby can also take up these videos. And there are several people who actively pursue and benefit from the gift wrapping business. So you can also put these videos to your benefit. Now let me tell you about the course structure. This course will be completed in 10 videos. And I will show you how to wrap your gift box in simple ways. And there will also be a video on how to tie the perfect bow for your gift box. Now let's take a look at the materials you need for this course. You will need some gift wrapping papers, jute strings, satin ribbon, some decoration items like small leaves and flowers, and then some basic stationery like a sharp pair of scissors, transparent tape and glue. Now let's get started. So keep watching What's Your Hobby for more such amazing courses for you to nourish your hobbies. Subscribe to our channel so that we can accompany you in your personal growth.